बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम कंप्यूटर साइंस क्लासेस को स्टार्ट करते हैं। इसका चैप्टर 1 आईसीटी फंडामेंटल्स, इसकी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। आईसीटी इज एन अम्ब्रेला टर्म दैट इंक्लूड्स टेलीविजन, सेल फोन, कम्युनिकेशन डिवाइसेस एंड ऑल set of instructions given to a computer to perform specific task is called, क्या कहते हैं, सॉफ्टवेयर। अगला क्वेश्चन है, सॉफ्टवेयर दैट इज डिजाइन टू रन कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर इज कॉल्ड सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर। ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर। MS Office is an example of application software. CPU is also called brain of computer. Dash is called father of computer, Charles Babbage. The system used to control and monitor movement of cars and craft is called navigation system. ICT is eco-friendly because it has eliminated the use of papers. 10 ICT devices are used in different industries for picking goods, lifting heavy parts, 3D printings and all. नेक्स्ट है, ब्रीफली आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन। ये 10 क्वेश्चन दिए हुए हैं, इनके आपने आंसर्स करने हैं, वो मैंने आपके लिए सॉल्व कर दिए हैं। वन बाय वन हम पढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, डिफाइन आईसीटी, हाउ इज़ इट हेल्पफुल इन एवरीडे लाइफ। इसका जवाब है, ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It helps in everyday life by enabling communication, providing access to vast information, facilitating education, and enhancing business operation. अगला क्वेश्चन है, differentiate between data and information. इसका जवाब है, data, raw facts and figures without context, इसको क्या कहते हैं, data। उसमें शामिल क्या होते हैं, नंबर्स एंड सिंबल्स वगैरह। इंफॉर्मेशन, डाटा दैट हैज़ बीन प्रोसेस्ड और ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इनटू अ मीनिंगफुल फॉर्म्स, फॉर एग्जांपल अ रिपोर्ट और ए समरी, इसको क्या कहते हैं, इंफॉर्मेशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इनलिस्ट बेसिक कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर। इसके जवाब है, बेसिक कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर आर मॉनिटर, कीबोर्ड, माउस, स्पीकर, हार्ड डिस्क, रैम, मदरबोर्ड, प्रोसेसर एंड प्रिंटर। क्वेश्चन 4 है, वाई इज़ द CPU कॉल्ड ब्रेन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर। इसका जवाब है, द CPU इज़ कॉल्ड ब्रेन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर बिकॉज इट कंट्रोल्स ऑल ऑपरेशन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर, प्रोसेसेस डाटा एंड एग्जीक्यूट्स इंस्ट्रक्शंस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इनलिस्ट एनी 3 कंप्यूटर्स ऑफ द फर्स्ट जनरेशन। 3 computers of the first generation computer are ENIAC, UNIVAC1 and EDVAC. Next question is, write a note on the 5th generation of computers. इसका जवाब है, these computers have been utilized since 1980 and continue to be used till now. This is the present as well as future of the computer world. The defining aspect of this generation is artificial intelligence. Question number 7. Enlist any 5 devices of ICT. 5 ICT devices are television, cell phones, computer, network hardware, and satellite systems. Next question. Discuss applications of ICT devices in business. ICT makes business more efficient and effective. ICT can support various businesses activities such as design, manufacturing, R&D, distribution and collecting, and evaluating sales and feedback, etc. Next question is, write down any 5 advantages of ICT devices. Number 1, ICT has improved teaching and learning mechanism. Second है ICT has eliminated the use of paper. ICT के इस्तेमाल से पेपर का इस्तेमाल जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो गया है. ICT has automated manual processes and procedures. ICT provides independent learning platform for students. Number 5 है ICT has enhanced data and information security. Next question है write down any 5 advantages of ICT devices. Number 1 पे है risk of cyber attack and hacks, misuse of technology by students, not accessible everywhere, ICTs provide independent learning platform for students, implementation of ICT is expensive. Next is answer the following question in detail. इन क्वेश्चन के आपने डिटेल में आंसर देने हैं. आपके लिए ये भी मैंने सॉल्व कर दिया है. नंबर 1 पे है डिस्कस 3 टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर. सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. System software is a type of computer program that is designed to run computer hardware and application programs. System software is the interface between the hardware and the user application. The operating system is the example of system software. Next is application software. Application software is a type of computer program or software package that performs specific functions for a user. The functions performed by application software can be for an individual, for an organization. Example of application software include office suites, graphics software, web browser, and image editors. Next is driver software. Driver software is also known as device driver. It is often considered a type of system software. Device driver are used to control the device and peripheral connected to a computer system. Examples include game controllers. Differentiate between second and third generation of computers. इसका जवाब है The years 1957 to 1963 are referred to the second generation of computer. COBOL, Fortran programming language were used in this generation. तो ये दो लैंग्वेज जो हैं वो ये इसमें यूज़ हुई थी. In this generation, vacuum tubes were replaced by transistor. Example of second generation computer are IBM 1620 and IBM 1794. Next, third generation. The period of third generation was from 1964 to 1971. Integrated circuit IC technology was used in this generation. This technology increased the power of computer and lowered its cost. These computers were quicker, smaller, more reliable, and less expensive than their predecessors. Programming languages Fortran 2 to 4, COBOL, and Pascal PL1 were used in this generation. Example of third generation computer were IBM 360 series, the Honeywell 6000 series, and IBM 370/168. Next question है discuss application of ICT in manufacturing industries. इसका जवाब है ICT devices have revolutionized the manufacturing industry and led to the industry towards development of the heavy machines. ICT has increased the productivity of industries and saved production time. ICT tools are being used in various industries for various purposes such as building parts of the cars, manufacturing microchips, lifting heavy parts of the cars, packing goods into boxes, CPU manufacturing, 3D printing, and washing cars. Question number 4. Where do we use a navigation system and how does it work? Navigation systems are used for monitoring and controlling the movement of a craft or vehicle from one place to another. A navigation system typically use GPS. GPS stands for Global Positioning System to pinpoint the location of a device by receiving signals from satellites. By accessing maps and calculating routes, the system can provide turn-by-turn navigation and real-time updates based on the user location. Question 5. Differentiate between hardware and software. Hardware. The physical components of a computer system that you can touch, for example, CPU, monitor, keyboard. Hardware is the machinery that runs the software. Software, the set of instructions or programs that tell the hardware what to do. Software cannot be physically touched, and it includes the operating system, applications, and utilities that perform specific tasks. Next question है write the function of the following ICT devices. Printer, device that produce a hard copy of documents, images, or any detailed information by printing them on paper. Next, a keyboard, an input device used to type data into a computer. It consists of keys for letters, numbers, and functions. Next is scanner, a device that converts physical document and images into digital format, allowing them to be viewed and stored on a computer. Next, a monitor, an output device that display information such as text, images, and videos generated by the computer. Next, a smartphone. A smartphone क्या है? A handheld device that combines the functionalities of a mobile phone with computer-like features such as internet browsing, apps, and multimedia playback.